How to report a user on Varagesale. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can report a user on Varagesale. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to navigate through to the website or open up the app just like I have done here. And then once you've opened the app, you'll be brought to the home page of your account, that is your Veratil account. So once you're on your own page, the next step is to find the user's profile or the specific listing that you would like to report. Okay, so for me this is it. Now once you've seen it, just select it and click on the item. Now once you've seen the item, you can see the user at the lower part of the on the image being displayed. So you can just click on the items picture here so that it can be taken to the items or to the person's or to the seller's profile. So this is the user that I would like to report. Note that this is an example. Okay, this is an example. So once you're on this page, the next step is move to the top right corner of the screen and click on the three dots that you can see. Once you can see it, you can see two options which says block or report this user. Alright, so to report this user, all I need to do is to click on report this user, and then I'll be asked the reason, select the reason, and then go ahead and submit your report. So it is important to provide as much details while reporting, which includes the reason for the report and the evidence that you have, such as messages or screenshots, so that they can take your report more seriously. Okay, so this is it. This is how you can report a user on Beverage Sale. Thanks for watching and have a good day.